Okay, that was an all-day adventure, December 9th, 2020. Oh boy, long day. Here's the newest GDI. It's in a gate on Poco, Vancouver. Oh, gotta tie those wires up. There's the motor. So we didn't have the room here to put the control box, so I had to put it back there on the pillar. Anyway. It's a good thing they fixed this one. We took a lynx out and the main bearings were shot. Nobody knew until I took it down because it was like an inch from the ceiling. But the pile of metal right there tells the story. It was about 2 tablespoons, or 2 teaspoons, no, tablespoons, full of metal filings. Anyway, just gotta splice those wires, low voltage wires, don't need a box, fully to code. So I wired the photo eyes normally closed because that's better than UL 325. Same with the safety edge, normally closed. Yeah, lots of new options on these controllers now. Let's watch the gate go down. Two-piece gate, kind of chunky. They should be super happy now. Can't close far enough because look at there's no headroom. The gate should have been shorter. It's already to the ground on that side, so we can't even lower it. You know, these are some problems you run into. Next time we'll make the gates shorter so it will fit in the hole under the springs. One more open. Oh, it's on DC. There we go. Smooth as can be. This baby's the gate. There won't be much work as usual here anymore. That's it. Another one done.